Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get Delta Roblox Executor mobile. First, understand that Delta Executor allows you to run custom scripts within Roblox on your mobile device. To begin, open your mobile browser and visit the official Delta Executor website. Locate the Download section and tap to download the latest version of the APK file. This file is typically around 50 to 70 megabytes in size, so ensure you have a stable internet connection. Once the APK file is downloaded, you'll need to prepare your device for installation. Go to your phone settings, then Security, and enable the option to install apps from unknown sources. This is crucial for third-party applications. Next, open your file manager, find the downloaded Delta Executor APK, and tap it. Follow the simple on-screen instructions to install the application. The installation usually takes less than 30 seconds to complete. With Delta Executor successfully installed, it's time to put it to use. Open the Delta Executor app from your device's home screen. It will then prompt you to launch Roblox. Once Roblox is open through the Executor, you'll see the Delta interface overlaying the game. Here, you can paste your desired script into the provided text box. After pasting, simply tap the Execute button and your script will begin running in the game. It's quite straightforward. Before you dive deep, it's vital to understand the risks involved. Using any executor, including Delta, goes against Roblox's terms of service, which could result in your account being banned. Always exercise caution and consider using a secondary Roblox account for this purpose. Furthermore, only download scripts from reputable sources to protect your device from potential malware. Your online safety and account security are paramount, so proceed with awareness and responsibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.